Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should work on a clean, well-lit surface. Unplug the monitor and wait 5 to 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. Start by removing visible screws and then use a plastic spudger to release bezel clips. You need steady pressure to avoid cracking the frame. Take clear photos as you go so you know which screws return where. Once the bezel is off, set it aside and locate the LCD assembly and backlight inverter or LED strips. We'll access those next. Once the LCD panel is lifted, separate the diffuser layers to expose the CCFL tubes or LED strips. Handle panels by edges to avoid pressure spots. Look closely at the inverter or LED driver board. Bulging capacitors, burn marks, or loose connectors commonly cause backlight failure. If you have a multimeter, check continuity and adapter voltages. Alternatively, swap with a known good inverter or LED driver of the same spec. Install the replacement inverter or LED strips matching the original voltage and current ratings. Secure all connectors and then reconnect the LCD panel. Before snapping everything back together, reconnect power and test the backlight briefly. This avoids redoing the whole assembly if something fails. If the backlight works, power down, finish reassembling layers and bezel, and tighten screws. If you still get no light, make sure cables are correct and consider testing the power board or high-voltage transformer as the next troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.